2, 3, and over. What's up, everybody? Oh, great job. We're just getting warmed up over here. We're doing some jump rope. Want to try a little bit more? I can do my whole intro while we do this. 1, 2, 3, and over. Hopefully you enjoyed that jump rope unit. Hopefully you learned just as much as Fisher did. And he is rocking it out. Hopefully your jump rope routines went well. I didn't see any of them. Nobody sent me one. Poof! Fisher's gone. Wow, technical difficulties. But hey, back on track. What we are doing today in your PE lesson is learning about something called a Tabata. And a Tabata is a exercise system which was designed to pack a whole lot into a short period of time. So when we're doing a Tabata, what we're going to be doing is 8 exercises. We're going to do each exercise for 20 seconds. And after we do that for 20 seconds, we're going to take a 10-second rest. So we got 20 plus 30, which is, or 20 plus 10 is 30. And then we're going to do at 8 times. So essentially we're going to have 4 minutes of this short burst exercise. So the whole point behind the Tabata is you don't have much time and you're going to pack a whole lot into a little space. And that means that when we do each exercise, we're going to have to go as hard as we can. All right, so it's high intensity. And those of you that have been watching our Fitness Fridays or Sunday Fun Day or the Saturday Sweat that we did and keeping up with that, you'll know exactly what a Tabata is. And we even did a Tabata day back before we started doing our actual PE lessons. But I know that there are people that haven't been watching those or haven't seen it. So, you know, it would be just part of what we do during our PE class. So, if you look at your sheet, we're looking at 5/12, so May 12th, and we talk about what a Tabata is, and I'll show you what a Tabata looks like. All right, so we're going to do each of these exercises, each one for 20 seconds, and then we are going to take a 10-second rest. We're going to go through the whole thing, and at the bottom there it says create and practice your own Tabata. So when we're done with this, take some time, think about a bunch of exercises that you know and things that you like to do. Make a list, do 8 of them, and make up your own Tabata. All right? There are scientists and science behind this that say we're packing like a whole half-hour worth of exercise into a 4-minute short burst activity. So let's get into it. I don't have a speaker. I'll just throw on our Hit Tabata mix and we'll get going. All right. And hold up just a sec. Maybe not. Just connect that. All right, so we got that. We'll go 20 seconds. And first one was jogging pace. So I'm just gonna jog in pace for 20 seconds. I got my timer set for 20 seconds. You can count to 20. You can look at a clock, whatever you got. All right, 20 seconds is up. Rest for 10. Next one we have is high knees for 20 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, high knees. And each time we do this, we're going to go as hard as we can. Jumping jacks, 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. mountain climbers, 20 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we got push-ups for 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, we're going as hard as we can. Next, I got leg lifts, 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scissors, 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trying to go as hard as you can for that short 20 seconds. And then we got apple pickers for 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and that's it. That is our Tabata. 8 exercises, 20 seconds apiece. 10-second rest in between. So, 4 minutes. And I'm out of breath, getting sweaty. And that's just with some, there's some basic warm-up movements in there and stuff. We can, if you watch Fitness Friday, we got burpees in there, we got push-ups to side planks, we got lunges, we got jump squats. You can definitely amp up the intensity on this. That was a really basic, easy one. Make it however you want. And a great thing to use if you don't have a lot of time, or if you got done with a run and you want to add in some extra cardio or exercises with your body weight. It's a great way to do it. So that's Tabata, and check back on Thursday. We'll do some more with that. All right, take care.